Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best granulated sugar is probably one of the most essential ingredients in your baking journey. From cookies to cakes, this versatile sweetener plays a crucial role in texture, flavor, and overall success of your baked goods. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of granulated sugar, exploring its properties, how it interacts with other ingredients, and how to use it to achieve baking perfection. Number 5. Domino Golden Granulated Sugar 3.125 lb, pack of 2. Introducing Domino Golden Sugar. This is a less processed sugar than white granulated sugar. You can use it in all your favorite foods. Follow the golden rule. It measures and bakes cup for cup just like white sugar. It won't compromise the performance of your recipes. Baking is now easier. The flip-up lid allows you to scoop directly from the tub. The lid also clicks closed for easy resealing. This rectangular tub stores neatly. It even has windows so you can see when the sugar is running low. Each 3.125 pounds tub has approximately 7 cups of sugar. The container is also recyclable, so check locally. What we like? This golden sugar is less processed, offering a unique flavor. Its easy scoop tub and cup for cup measure make baking a breeze. If you are looking for a convenient and flavorful sugar option, this is a great choice. What people say. Domino Golden Sugar retains a hint of the natural molasses flavor and the sugar has a light gold color. The tub is easy open-close. The tub keeps the sugar dry and either prevents or else greatly lessens the chance the sugar will become one hard lump. This is the best packaging we have found, nice, easy to use and easy to store. Number 4. 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Cane Sugar. This is the 64-ounce organic cane sugar from 365 by Whole Foods Market. It's perfect for all your baking needs. The large size offers great value. Whether you're making cookies, cakes, or anything in between, it's a great choice. The pure cane sugar ensures a delicious result every time. This product is USDA certified organic. You can trust that it meets the highest standards. The ingredients are carefully selected. It's made with pure cane sugar, ensuring a natural sweetness. This is a great choice for those who want a quality product. You can be sure there are no artificial ingredients. It's a wholesome choice for your family. This product is a great value. The bulk size offers great value. You'll have plenty on hand for all your baking needs. It's a smart choice for any kitchen. What we like? This organic cane sugar is perfect for all your baking needs. The bulk size offers great value. If you need a reliable, organic sugar for frequent baking, this is the one. What people say. It is sweet and perfect for baking or in fresh sun tea. I find that I got more for my money. I use what I need and close the rest in the resealable package. Number 3. JUDEE'S gluten-free superfine castor sugar 2.5 pounds. Introducing JUDEE'S superfine castor sugar, the perfect ingredient for all your baking needs. It's ideal for adding a touch of sweetness to your homemade treats and beverages. This extra fine sugar is a superb choice for light desserts. Use it in tiramisu, meringue, cheesecakes, and more. It's perfect for celebrations and gatherings. Made in a dedicated gluten-free facility, this sugar ensures you receive the best tasting ingredients. It's a clean, flavorful alternative for health-conscious bakers. Packaged in a 2.5-pound stand-up, resealable pouch, this sugar ensures lasting freshness. It provides ample supply for all your baking needs. JUDEE'S commitment to quality since 2009 offers bakers natural, high-quality ingredients. This ensures delicious results with every creation, perfect for home kitchens and bakeries alike. What we like? This superfine castor sugar is gluten-free, making it ideal for those with dietary restrictions. Its airy and smooth texture is perfect for delicate desserts. If you like making light desserts, you should consider this. What people say. I use it for cakes and desserts for a more refined texture. And it always delivers excellent results. Finely ground. My new go-to sugar. This has elevated all my baked goods. The superfine sugar makes everything turn out so much better. I've replaced my regular sugar with it. Number 2. Anthony's Organic Cane Sugar, 3 pounds, granulated. This is Anthony's Organic Cane Sugar. It's a granulated sugar that is USDA certified organic. It's perfect for all your baking needs. This sugar is batch tested and verified gluten-free. You can rest assured that it meets the highest standards. It's a safe and delicious choice. It's also non-GMO and vegan, making it a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. The blonde color indicates its purity and quality. There are no preservatives, artificial ingredients, or dyes in this product. It's all natural and pure, just the way it should be. Use it for baking, sprinkling, or brewing kombucha. It's also great in beverages like tea and coffee. Enjoy the natural sweetness. What we like. This organic cane sugar is a great choice for health-conscious bakers. It's also gluten-free and vegan. If you are looking for a pure, natural sugar, this is a great option. What people say. Though organic, this sugar is really good. My family likes it and worked great with our homemade ice cream. Packaged well for ease of storage and use. Number 1. Sugar in the raw organic white cane sugar. Introducing organic white sugar in the raw, a wholesome alternative to refined white sugars. This product is made from sustainably sourced premium organic cane sugar. The crystals are never bleached, preserving their natural white color and authentic sugarcane flavor. It's USDA organic, non-GMO project verified, vegan, kosher and gluten-free. This organic cane sugar blends, browns, and dissolves easily. It's the perfect choice for home cooks and all kinds of recipes that call for sugar. This product is Fair Trade Eco-Social verified. It's produced with a focus on safe working conditions, environmental protection, and fair prices for producers. Founded in 1970, In the Raw has over 50 years of sweetener expertise. Today, they offer a variety of versatile sweeteners for every occasion. What we like. This organic sugar is Fair Trade certified, ensuring ethical sourcing. It is never bleached, retaining its natural flavor. If you value sustainability and a natural taste, you'll love this. What people say. We use this at church and the dispenser is handy. This raw granulated premium white sugar tastes like sugar used to when I was a child, and that's going back a long, long way. There's no GMOs, nothing but pure cane sugar, no artificial anything. Great for coffee. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.